everyone. Okay, let's start. And today we are going to read page number 19 and we are going to do one activity. So let's start with the activity part. Okay, I'm going to share the screen with you. So here is your activity time. In this activity time, in this time, what we are going to do, I'm going to show you some pictures and you are going to identify that which body part has been used to do the activity. Okay, to do this activity. Okay, so let's start. First picture. Here, a small baby girl is reading a book. So now, students will one by one, okay, one by one, anyone will answer this question. Anyone will answer this question. Put on your microphone and answer me the question. Which body part, that is, which sense organ has been used in this picture to read the book? This girl is using which sense organ? Who will answer me?
Eyes.
What is your what is your name?
Me.
Okay. Okay, eyes. Okay. Microphones off. Microphones off. Now let's go for the next picture. All microphones off. So here you just write down in the chat box. That will be better. Okay, please write down the answer in the chat box. Okay. So again, next picture. Here the girl is enjoying the lovely fragrance of the flower. So which sense organ she is using? Exactly. Everyone has given the answer. That is a nose. Nose. Very good.
No.
Yes. Nose has been used to, yes, smell the flower. Very good. Now let's go for the next picture. This boy is watching television and who will tell me that which sense organ he is using? Which sense organ he is using to watch the television?
See mane I can see with my eyes.
So which sense organ this boy is using to watch the television? Who will answer me? Eyes. Yes, very good. So let's go for the next picture. So this piece of cloth is smelling very foul. So can you tell me that which sense organ of this boy is helping him to understand that this piece of cloth is having a foul smell? So which sense organ? Come on, anyone, turn on the mouth. Very good, excellent. It's nose. Nose helps us. Yes, nose helps, very good. Nose helps him to understand that the piece of cloth is smelling foul. So let's go for the next one. This lady is having a hot cup of coffee. So which
মানে স্বাদটা তো স্বাদ অনুভব করতে হলে কিসের সাহায্যে I can taste with my tongue বানান কি?
Okay, now the question is, the coffee is hot or cold? This coffee is hot or cold? How this lady will feel? How this lady will feel that the coffee cup is hot or cold? So which sense organ will help her to understand that the coffee mug is hot or cold? Which sense organ will help this lady to understand? Very good. It's skin. Skin will help her to understand that the coffee mug is hot or cold, right? Now, if this lady is having the coffee, if she is drinking the coffee, which sense organ will help her to understand the taste of the coffee? Which sense organ will understand or help her to taste the coffee? Taste কি করে বুঝবো? Yes, how the coffee is taste. Yes, so tongue helps us to taste, to understand the taste of the coffee, and the coffee mug is hot or cold. It is being understood with the help of the skin. Understand? It is being used with the help of the skin. Very good. So let's go for the next picture. Here, the boy is listening or enjoying music. So which sense organ he is using to enjoy music?
One. Yeah.
Very good. Excellent. Yes. So, yes, you can turn on the microphone and you can answer the question, and then after turn off the microphone. Okay. Very good. Very good. Yes. So let's go for the next picture. You can see one type of vegetable is there and the other type of fruit is there. One is bitter gourd and another is mango. Now, who will tell me what is the taste of bitter gourd? Who will tell me what is the taste of bitter gourd? Bitter gourd taste কেমন হয়? Bitter gourd. First listen my question, beta. First listen to my questions. Don't be in hurry. তাড়াহুড়ো করবে না. First listen to my question. What is the taste of bitter gourd? Bitter gourd খেতে কেমন হয়? Yes.
Tito.
Okay. So what do you mean by tito in English? It's bitter. Bitter. Okay. So that's why its name is bitter gourd. So the taste of bitter gourd is bitter. And what is the taste of a ripe mango? What is the taste of a ripe mango?
यहाँ ध्यान नहीं है, दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, सुनाई तो दे रहा है।
What is
वो सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा है।
what is the taste of a ripe mango?
Sweet and sour बोले ना.
Sweet. Yes. It may be sweet, it may be sour, or it may be the blend of sweet and sour taste. So these are the two different tastes, right? One is bitter taste, একটা তেতো, আরেকটা মিষ্টি বা টক মিষ্টি. So who will tell me which sense organ? Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. Listen to the question first, beta. Let us listen to the question first. Which sense organ helps us to taste, to understand the taste?
Or help us to taste. कौन सा taste?
Very good. Very good. Very good. So bitter gourd is bitter, mango is sweet, amla is sour, chili is hot. All these different types of taste we can understand with the help of our sense organ, that is tongue. That is tongue. So let's go for the next picture. Here we can see there is an ice cube. Please mute the microphones. I request the guardians to please mute the microphones. It's disturbing me to make them explain. Okay. প্লিজ একটু মাইক্রোফোন গুলো অফ করে দিন, আমার পড়াতে সত্যি অসুবিধা হচ্ছে, সবাই মিলে কথা বললে সত্যি অসুবিধা হচ্ছে। Okay, so now we can see the picture. There is an ice cube in both hands. So which sense organ helps a human being, which sense organ helps a man to understand that ice cube is very cold? Which sense organ will help you to understand that ice cube is cold? Skin. Very understand that the thing is hot or cold. Okay. Yes. Yes. So let's go for the next one. Next picture. When a bird is singing sweetly, which sense organ helps you to listen it? When a bird is singing sweetly, which sense organ helps you to listen it? Yes? Yes? Ears. Yes. Ears. It's ears which helps us to listen the sweet sound of bird, right? Next, let's go for the next picture. And now it's the hot summer and we are having different flavor of ice creams before us. You can see the picture, yes or no? You can see the picture, yes. We are having 4 ice creams before us. One is of chocolate flavor, one is of strawberry flavor, one is of vanilla flavor, and one is of pista. Okay, badam pista. So these are the different flavors we are having. Can you tell me that how we will understand the flavor of the ice cream? Which sense organ will help us? Which sense organ will help us to understand the flavor of an ice cream?
Nose.
Which sense organ? Sense organ to understand the flavor, with a flavor of the ice cream. How you will understand the flavor of the ice cream? I'm not asking about the smell. Yes. Whether your ice cream is a chocolate ice cream or vanilla ice cream or strawberry ice cream, how you will understand? You will understand after tasting it. So the flavor of the ice cream will be understood with the help of your tongue. I am not talking about the aroma. I am not talking about the smell. I am talking about the flavor, taste. Okay. So the flavor of the ice cream is being understood with the help of tongue. Very good. So now we have enjoyed the ice cream. Now it's quite hot, so you can enjoy your ice cream too. I will be back again with our textbook here. So yesterday we read up to page number 18 where we learned there are 5 sense organs, that is eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. And here it has been told, let us learn about them. So we will learn about them. What we will learn already with the help of the activity, we have learned it that our eyes helps us to see. Our eyes helps us to see. Our ears helps us to hear. Our ears helps us to hear. Our nose helps us to smell. Our nose helps us to smell. And our tongue helps us to taste different flavors of ice cream, right? And our skin helps us to feel and touch. Okay, with the help of a touch, we can understand whether the paper is smooth or it is rough. With the help of the skin, we can feel whether it is hot, it is cold, right? So different types of feelings is been understood with the help of the skin. Understood? So tomorrow we are going to discuss about the different types of care of our different sense organs. So I will conclude my class over here today. You will be back. Hindi students will be joining me in Hindi class and the rest of the students will be joining for their Bengali classes. So let me check out the attendance. Just 2 minutes and thank you. So students, I hope little bit problem was that still you have done it. Many of you have tried to do the class. Please check out the internet problem of your side, because from here everything is going fine. Okay, my internet is very strong, so I don't have any problem with the net connection. So you just try. Maybe there is little bit problem
Yes.
from your side. Okay, so bye bye. Take care of yourself.
Bye, ma'am.
And those who were unable to see me, they can do one thing. They can go to the YouTube channel of Bhagwan Model School, and this video will be uploaded over there. So you just go through the video from there. Okay, students? Okay.